Dunwoody College of Technology is a technical college in the upper Midwest. I work in the engineering, drafting, and design department. One of the main projects we do in our product design class is a putter design project. So the students have to meet the requirements for manufacturing and also meet the user and the industry regulations as well. The F370 in this project allowed the students to develop and design and turn their projects into real tooling very quickly. The F370 was really easy for the students to use. It was easy to get into the menus with the touchscreen and interface there. And it was very easy to switch out materials using their spooling system. And then also pulling the parts in and out of the machine was a lot quicker and easier to remove from the substrate or the build platform. Instead of converting to STL files, the students are able to use their native CAD files, their SolidWorks files directly into GrabCAD. And in the GrabCAD software, it renders everything in 3 dimensions. So with the previews, especially looking at some thin wall areas, the students are able to get a much better idea of problem areas in their parts and see a preview of their parts and see what the printer is going to do. Well, one of the benefits of having this machine on campus is that with the putter project, we're able to print our patterns and get a part directly made from those and have it be production quality. We can print in multiple materials, which the students use for various projects. So the F370 can make the difference between having the part by the end of class or having the part by the next day.